Alrighty, here we are today. Little road work on the menu. You can see, there's my truck. We are in lovely downtown Port Elizabeth, New Jersey, where all the shipping containers come and go. And I've been called down here today to effect repairs on this nice big gash that is in the side of this container. Apparently these containers cannot be loaded and put on board ship with any any gashes, any type of anything in them that will not make it will render them less than airtight. So for today I have been called down here to repair this, and what they want me to do is actually run a little plate over it and weld it. Has to be welded continuously because they want it airtight. So that's what we're gonna do. And there's no way I'll ever get this in the whole frame here, but this is essentially a 45-foot sea container. And the audio is probably not so great because there's trucks everywhere, and it's quite a busy place. So we're going to see what we can do about fitting a patch onto that. Let's see. I'm thinking that this piece of plate right here has more than enough in it to render our appropriate length and width to fit over that. It's a piece of 3/16 thick, just regular A36. I know it's all rusty, but I'll grind it up some and cut a piece out of this, weld it in, and that'll pretty much be it. I'll keep you posted as I go. Fun, fun, fun. Well, as the saying goes, hole, patch, essentially, I guess that's gonna pretty much be it. I'm gonna hold this here, get a couple of tacks on it, and weld it up. What is the saying? It ain't rocket surgery? You back. Well, I guess we're all tacked up there. Just put a little tack on the four corners, and essentially it does have to be welded continuously because they're saying the complaint is that it has to be airtight or watertight or whatever. So I will have to weld it continuously all around. So I guess I'll begin with that, and I'll bring you back in periodically. Hey, I just got an idea. Want to have some virtual fun? You can watch me weld. what's that saying? Once more from the top? Well, this is a slight variation on that. This is going to be once more across the top. Here we go. This is really fun because it's only about 95 out here in the direct sunlight, you know. So this is a blast. This is fun. It's good, clean fun, you know. Bring you back and let you see. Alright, there we go. All welded. Slag is chipped off. What I'm going to do, I think, is I'm just going to touch the edges a little bit just with the grinder, just so you know, nobody cuts their hands or complains about anything too much rough on there. And maybe we'll even shoot some sort of a, well, I don't have any gray primer. I wish I did. I guess I have some regular ruddy primer that I'll have to put on there, but yeah, it's going to be pretty much about it. So that's just typically what I do. Well, I guess that's going to be it. It's welded. It's even primed. Gee, almost matches, doesn't it? All right, well, signing out from here in lovely Port Elizabeth on Division Street. As some famous guy once said, everybody polka. See you next time.